Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to use Trello for YouTube automation. So the first thing, just simply go create a new board over here, and after that just simply name the board title. So I'm gonna go for automation, for example guys, and select create, and after that you will have a blank Trello board over here. So first add a list name. So let's say I'm gonna go for video topics, and after that just simply add list, and let's say the next one will be on production and add list, and the second one, let's say it's gonna be for thumbnail, and after that you could just simply add another one which is for upload. So from here you will have multiple categories, so pretty much this will be depending on you on how many category that you prefer, but personally I use this one. So for the video topic, just simply select add a card. Let's say I'm gonna go for top 3 best microwave, for example, and select add card, and you can add as many as you can. And if you want to edit a card, just simply right click on it, and you can provide a label, you could change the cover, add a date, or copy the card. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And when you change the cover guys, you should be able to provide a color code on your system as well. Now you can add as many as video topics as you can, and if you want it to do, just simply provide it into the production so other people can see it too, that this video is on production mode, and you should be able to provide it on the thumbnail when the video production is done, so the thumbnail will be made. And guys, you should be able to put it on the upload when all of the process are complete. And you can share it into your team by just simply selecting share over here at the top right, and just simply provide their email over here and just simply select share, and they should be able to access the same thing. There you go. See ya.